Already. MP. Don't know, so we're in the tropical region. So I tell them about the place, isn't it? Yeah. Tropical island shit. I got a tropical island bitch. I got a tropical island whip. I'm on a tropical island ship. Yeah, I got a tropical drip. And I'm fucking tropical bitches. And you know that's typical, cause a young nigga rich. Yo, tell them dip on the east side. Tell them dip on the seaside. Just a weird pan a buffet coming with the coke of the baking soda. Fi go shit out. Tell them me dip on the east side. Tell them dip on the seaside. Just a weird pan a boat. We come in with the coke of the baking soda. Fi go shit out. Yo, my dog. Tropical island shit. We got a tropical island whip. Caught the tropical island bitch. On my tropical island dick. Yeah, I got a tropical whip. I got a tropical man. I got a tropical fan. But you know the tropical is mine. Yeah, tropical shit. Nigga, tropical island shit. I'm in the tropical island whip. Tropical island drip on my neck. Nigga, I'm a wrist, I got the loaded protect. Tropical island drip. Nigga, your bitch be on my dick. Tropical shit, yeah. Got the tropical island drip. I got a tropical island bitch. I got a tropical island gun. I got the tropical island fun. Yeah, I not go to the beach. The tropical island is so fun. Drink some rum, smoke the high grade, it can done. Tropical island shit. Girl, I jump on my island dick, yeah. Tropical island shit. Tropical island shit, yeah. Tropical island shit. I got a tropical island bitch. With the tropical drip. With the tropical drip. Tropical drip. Tropical drip. Nigga not ever gonna